Here's an update of the bathroom. Got the new window installed. Got the drywall hung. Everything's insulated behind there. And just getting ready to mud. Got my tub in place. I got my drain hooked up. I'm going to wait and cut the back out from the other bathroom, and I'll drywall that after I get the shower finished. So I'm gonna get the shower all done, then go in the bathroom back here and cut it out from the back behind this toilet. Attach all my plumbing. Then I'll drywall in this bathroom. Get it finished. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.